The future is for you to make. Your imagination is yours. You can do whatever bleep you want to do with it. Yeah? Nobody can stop you from imagining you being the queen or the princess. Look at our Kate Winslet. Commoner, married the prince. Moment the queen goes, she becomes the queen.
Yes.
Right? So those fairy tales do exist. You can do anything you want. You've just got to imagine it. The chair that you're sitting on, somebody imagined it. Right? The building that we are in right now, somebody created the drawing, which was imagined first, was then put on the paper, and was then created. Your imagination is extremely powerful. The only problem is that you are thinking from the past. Stop from the past, be in the present, and build your future from there.